Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Adriana's here. We have Wednesday already. I'll explain you why am I talking to you so late this week, but first let me get ready to work. So on my previous video I showed you how do I do my makeup real fast, and on this one I decided I'm gonna show you how do I do my hair. So let's go. So as you can see, we're ready. The only thing missing is the red lipstick, and we still need to close our suitcase. Guys, I've been hiding this behind my back. Look at that. No, I didn't do my laundry. These are the potential stuff that I will be taking with me to Seychelles. Yeah, I'm going on my leave straight away after my Warsaw flight. Don't think that there's so many things. I have a lot of pillows here. But anyway, I just put clothes here, and then I will decide once I'm back from Warsaw, I'll decide which one to take. So after my Warsaw flight, I will have around 1 hour, maximum 1 hour, to come back here, pack my stuff and go back to the airport. I'm taking my parents to Seychelles. It's gonna be kind of a last trip of ours while I still have discounts for the tickets for my friends and family, so they can use it properly and go somewhere further. This time we go to Seychelles, and I'm super happy about it. I really need this rest. I really need my leave. Parents gonna be on a flight back from Warsaw to Dubai. My dad does not know anything about it, so that's gonna be a surprise for him. The second thing is that my best friend Natalia, she's gonna be on this flight as well, but she's gonna be operating in business class. I'm still in economy, but I'm super happy about it. It's been a while since we've done any flight. Actually, we've done only one flight. That's how we met, and that's how we became friends. Coming back from Warsaw, my parents gonna stay at the airport because it's gonna be like 3 hours of transfer for them. So they're gonna stay there. Their luggage straight away gonna go to Seychelles. Not gonna get out in Dubai. They're gonna stay at the airport, and they're gonna go to connections. For me, because I'm gonna be operating through, I need to disembark the aircraft. I need to come back home. I need to grab my stuff and go straight to the airport to board the aircraft to Seychelles. So this is when only I'm gonna join my parents. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of stressed about it because my parents, they don't know English. So yeah, might be a bit hard for them to find the connections at the airport without me, but I hope that they will make it. Let's go and do this flight. Cheers, guys. I wonder what those guys think when they see us waiting for the elevators, recording ourselves. Anyway, elevators ready. So let's go. Okay. Wait. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? I am so clumsy. I could literally call myself like the clumsiest person in the world. Yeah, let's finish this one because I don't want to drop it. I don't want to make a mess anywhere. So yeah, guys, we're going. We're in a rush, as always.
Yeah,
Natalia, would you like to say anything? Are you excited for this flight? Are you excited for this layover? What's your plan?
I'm so excited.
Shopping, shopping,
I just
shopping.
feel hiding.
Drinking, drinking, drinking. Survived.
I just couldn't make that.
We just arrived to the hotel. As you can see, I didn't do much with my look. I just removed my red lipstick, took a shower, put some fresh clothes on, and we're ready. I'm gonna see Natalia right now. It's 1:30 a.m. No, it's 1:30 p.m. right now. We're gonna meet downstairs. We're gonna go to Złoty Taras, which is the mall next to our hotel. We're gonna do some shopping, groceries, and I'll slowly tick off the things to do from my to-do list for Warsaw. There's a lot of stuff I didn't do last time. I'm not sure why. Maybe because my priority was to see my friends rather than do shopping, etc. The weather is not that bad. It's freezing, but we have some sun here and there behind the clouds. And later I'll try to show you what did I buy, where did I go, and I'll update you of what is going on in my life. So stay tuned. So random stuff, but let's go through it quickly. So vegetables, concealer, nail polish, vape. This one is without nicotine. I never smoked in my life. I swear, I only smoke e-cigarettes without nicotine. I hate nicotine, so nope, no for me. SPF 50. I never tried that one. I tried already the cream from this brand, but never tried SPF, so we'll see how is it gonna go. But I need some protection because I'm going for vacation. Yes, you can see clearly that it's a milk. I'm bringing milk, my favorite one from home. And yeah, I got some more nail polishes. I have yogurts, Alpro, because they're cheaper here. Peanuts, unsalted peanuts, soy sausages, non-lactose cottage cheese, nail cleaner. What? Yeah, nail cleaner, and 2 of the books, biohacking. I'm kind of into that right now because I'm studying nutrition, as you know, or you might not know yet. So I went through it a bit, and it might be actually helpful for what I'm studying right now. And this is Potęga Podświadomości. I don't know how to translate it, but here's the outer and here's the outer of the other one. If you want to know, if you want to check it out, I will not recommend it yet, but yeah, I do love to read. I really love to read self-improvement books, so here I am. Random haul, finished. Thank you, bye. Good morning, guys. I'm not sure if you're gonna see that, but it's snowing right now, and probably it's the last time for me to see snow this year. But anyway, we are uploading the video right now. Hopefully my battery won't die because I do not have my charger, and I really want to upload it before I leave. Everything is packed almost. I still need to get ready. Okay, I put the mask on because that's who's that? We're all Polish. But anyway, we're coming back right now, and I put my mask on because I do not want my dad to recognize me at the airport. And yeah, my mom already knows to go somewhere far whenever she sees the crew. But yeah, me, I'm hiding. Would you recognize me? Would you recognize me with the mask? Ale film nagrałaś, ale... Super, super.
He woke up and realized.
During the flight. For hygiene reasons, please do not place them in the lavatory waste and please focus on the seat. The aircraft has been thoroughly sanitized and we maintain a high level of
I don't like Dubai anymore. Dubai is too much.
I kind of changed my way of
Yeah,
thinking.
Dubai is too much. Too much. My head is pain. I lost my hair from Dubai.
Oh. Even though we arrived at the hotel a few hours ago, we just checked in because the rooms were not ready until now. So here you have a small room tour. Really love the standard. Look at that. This big bed is for my parents. This small one is for me, but we'll make it work. Oh. Anyway, here's the swimming pool. Our balcony. Look at that. Look how big it is. And look at the view we have. This is incredible. Guys, we're in paradise. Seriously. Good morning, guys. Day 2. Look at this morning. Look at this beautiful morning and the views. Cannot. Guys, this is where I did Pilates yesterday. Laptop here. My, obviously, Pilates, professional Pilates mat. And yeah, we're going for breakfast right now. Breakfast is right there in this building. Is it? No, it's not. Pool is right there. So breakfast is somewhere there.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have.
Here are the essentials for today. I'm gonna start reading this book. I'll let you know later how's it going. Today we're staying in a shadow because I burned myself a bit. Heading right now to the beach. We're gonna take some pictures with the sunset, and afterwards we're gonna have some dinner. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a bit of my outfit, but if you want to check it out, like, go and check out my Instagram because I already uploaded the pictures right there. So please go follow. Love you guys. Me and my parents, we're going to the beach right now. Oh my god, the sunset is beautiful. Wow there. Okay, we're gonna take some pictures because the sun is going down really fast. Yeah, and then later we're gonna go for a walk right there because we want to buy some fruits, but we only have dollars, so I'm not sure they're gonna take it. But yeah, here's our resort, and here are my parents, tourists. Okay, this is actually my first time here at the beach, even though it's the second day of ours. I'm planning to come back actually a little bit earlier so I can study. I need to catch up with studies a bit. Don't know even what's the schedule when it comes to my classes, but yeah, I need to figure it out. Anyway, guys, we're sitting by the swimming pool right now waiting for my dad because when we were at the gym and later at the tennis court, he forgot his sunglasses, so he went there to look for it. Some fresh fruits. Wow, there. Oh my goodness. Thought that there's nothing here except our hotel, but actually we kind of chose a really good area. Very light. But there are no pavements, that's for sure. So be careful, guys, in Seychelles. They drive on the left-hand side. It's a secret night, that means I have early something to eat. My parents, they can enjoy because they actually can eat meat and seafood. But yeah, here's the setup. Yeah, we have some live music. Hi guys, I just came back from dinner. I'm full. I'm super full. The food was amazing. Even though it was a seafood night, I ate a lot of veggies, so I feel that's the reason. But anyway, my parents still went for a walk, but I promised myself I'm gonna study a bit today, so here I am. It's 8:30 p.m. and I'm at home, at the hotel room studying. But yeah, I want to finish this video right here, right now. It's Saturday already, and I'm gonna start a new one tomorrow. But before that, I just wanted to let you know that on my next video I'm gonna explain you the whole drama that happened before boarding the aircraft that was going from Warsaw to Dubai, when my parents were on board, actually, or were supposed to be on board, and I was the operating crew. So yeah, they canceled their tickets. We almost missed the flight to Seychelles. Our luggage is damaged, but everything I'll explain on my next one, so please stay tuned. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please give it a thumbs up, leave the comment below, and subscribe my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Still from Seychelles. Bye!